Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is Dr. ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Dear students, let me start a new series of videos on the subject software engineering here. So we know that if we ask any computer science and engineering student and its related streams what you want to become after your BTech, students general answer will be software engineer. Yes, most of the students they want to become software engineer, and this subject especially in your BTech will give a profound knowledge about what is actually a software and how a software is engineered, who is a software engineer, what is the hierarchy in software companies, what type of process models they will use to develop various types of softwares. Each and everything I am going to discuss in this playlist. So let me start in this first video, introduction about software engineering. So my dear students, before I am going to discuss about what is software engineering definition, let us discuss about what is software first, then what is engineering next, then we will come to know what is software engineering here. So what is the definition of software? A software is a collection of programs which allows a user to work on a computer. So what is software? It is a collection of programs. This is very, very important. So we should not treat software as a different entity here. Software is nothing but a set of programs. Okay, what is program next? Program is a set of instructions. Okay, in your C programming language or Python or Java, you will write various types of statements. Okay, those statements, each statement is one instruction there. Okay, suppose if your program consists of 10 statements, then those 10 statements are nothing but your 10 instructions. So software is a collection of programs. What is program? Program is a collection of instructions or set of instructions. Then what is instruction again? Instruction is nothing but a set of tokens. So a relationship is there here. So first of all, we should know what is a software. Okay, what is software? Next below level to the software is nothing but programs. Software is a collection of programs. Is it right? What is program? Program is nothing but set of instructions. Is it right? And what are instructions? Instructions are nothing but set of tokens. What is a token? Token is the smallest individual part of a program, smallest individual unit of a program. That can be plus one operator, it is a token. A, one variable, it is a token. B, variable, token. Semicolon, token. So smallest individual part of a program is a token. If you group the tokens, you will form instruction. If you group set of instructions, you will form program. If you group programs, you are making completely one software. So my dear students, software is a collection of programs. Software is a collection of programs. Each program is a collection of instruction. Each instruction is a set of tokens. What is token? Token is the smallest individual part of a program. Is it right? So we should know, in order to understand software, we should know the relationship between these three. What is the program? What is the instruction? What is the token? Okay, how we will use the tokens in a programming language. Now, in order to write program, you can use different programming languages. Various programming languages are available. So by using these programming languages as a tool, we can develop some set of programs. Those set of programs forms a software. Okay, what is the advantage of developing the software? If you develop the software, you are allowing the user to work on a computer. This is the main goal. Okay, only hardware will not do the work. Okay, if in order to make that hardware to do the work, we need to develop one software. Once we install that software on that particular hardware, then that hardware also will work. It will give response. Is it right? So to make the computer work, we need to develop the software. In order to make a hardware work, we need to develop the software. So this is the definition of software. Okay, now next thing. Okay, software we understood, sir. What about engineering, sir? What is the meaning of engineering here? Software means it is a collection of programs which allows the user to work on a computer. What is engineering here? So engineering is nothing but it is the application of scientific and practical knowledge. scientific and practical knowledge to invent, design, build, maintain, and improve frameworks, processes, etc. Now, here one thing we need to concentrate here is engineering doesn't mean that developing something randomly within less time. Engineering is something, but it is an art, it is a discipline. What type of discipline? It will make use of scientific and practical knowledge. So what is the meaning of scientific knowledge here? Well proven knowledge which follows set of rules and regulations. Practical knowledge which is already proven. So we need to use that type of knowledge, and then we need to develop the software. Now, in simple thing, if we combine engineering and software engineering, how we can write the definition, in simple words? So I can say like this: software engineering is nothing but it is an art, or it is a discipline which shows how to develop a software by following some set of rules and regulations in scientific manner. This is how I can define software engineering. And let us see the standard definition of what is software engineering now. Software engineering is an engineering branch related to the evolution of software product using well-defined scientific principles, techniques, and procedures. So here, what is the output of software engineering? Means here, software product. Software product is the output or outcome of software engineering process. Okay, what is the input to software engineering? Set of programs. If you develop set of programs, software will be developed. Once software is developed, the end product, we are using one word, that is the software product, which is the end product of the software development process. So dear students, so what is software engineering here? Means it is the process of developing the software by following some set of rules and regulations in a scientific manner. And what is the end product of software engineering? We call software product. This is the software product, is the end product of software development process. So I hope that you got a clear picture about what is the meaning of this subject, software engineering. So in my next videos in this playlist, I am going to discuss each and everything, that hierarchy of software companies, okay, and then how the software is developed, okay, what are the types of softwares available, and how was the software in olden days, what are the changes happened to the present software, and what are the process models that are used, each and why which type of process model should be selected in what type of case. Each and everything I'm going to discuss in my next sessions. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.